Hey guys.
Hey, Josh here.
I'm Michelle.
And we are
Adventures Ahead. You're gonna cut yourself.
And today we have a treats unboxing. Whoa, this one's like packed. Yeah, it's all broken stuff, I bet.
Yeah, we just released our other treat box.
Because we had it at our table for forever, right, Michelle?
Yeah, because we were on a cruise.
Carly's scared of this.
The knife or the box?
Of you. Well, they packed this one.
I don't remember where this is from.
Nope.
And I don't know
the flag. Let's show the flag. Anybody know that flag?
What's that flag? Well, we'll find out in a minute.
Yeah,
so.
we don't know it. Philippines. That's what it was. There you go, Michelle. There's that one.
All right. So the Philippines, they speak English and Filipino. The Philippines is the world's leading producer of coconuts.
Wow.
52 million people in the Philippines speak English, making it the 5th largest English-speaking nation behind the U.S., India, Pakistan, and UK. Of the top 10 largest shopping malls in the world, 3 are found in the Philippines. Dang. The country was one of the earliest adopters of text messaging, earning the monkier text capital of the world. Wow, interesting.
Moniker. That's what it is, moniker.
Moniker? I don't know how to read. If you're new here, we can't read very good.
So let's get started on this. So we have Boob Cake.
Oh.
Show that, Michelle. So Boob Cake is a delicious cake made from high-grade ingredients and baked to perfection. Every bite gives an overload of exquisite taste of oob, purple yam, and a unique Filipino flavor. The treat is perfect for sweet toothpicks and a quick snack.
It smells good. Doesn't look that good.
So it's a purple yam.
Break it in half. Ooh,
oh.
Cool.
Oh.
It smells good. You have that half. A little dry.
Dry.
Very dry.
Really dry. Why'd you eat like that with it?
With what?
You need a glass of milk.
Has a really good flavor. I would say you need a gallon of milk.
Yep. I can't eat the rest of mine. I know you did.
It's like sand. But it tastes good.
It does taste good. Next up, whoa, what's this?
Dried mangoes.
So we got dried mangoes are an iconic snack in the Philippines. They are made with fresh mangoes, sweet, chewy, unique, and authentic.
No, they're made with fresh mangoes?
Dried mangoes edible. You enjoy the taste of fresh tropical mangoes anywhere you go. Whoops. You don't know how to open anything, Michelle.
Well, then you open it, Josh.
I'm just joking. Oh, this is like...
Is it sticky?
It's got sugar on it.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
You just eat your piece.
Okay. Whoa.
It's all stuck together.
You grab one and you get a bunch, it counts as one still.
Oh.
Good.
Like fruit leather.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it is pretty good. It's not overly sweet, even though it did have sugar on the outside of it. Boy.
Boy bawang.
Bawang.
Garlic in Filipino language are immensely savory corn nuts seasoned with garlic, salt, and chili pepper. Crunchy in texture and delicious in taste. Boy bang is a classic treat in the Philippines and an all-time local favorite.
Oh, it stinks.
Let's try boy bang.
Smell it.
Ugh. It's just garlic, Michelle.
Well, corn nuts.
These are packed with flavor, aren't they?
Yep, they're pretty good. They're really, really, really crunchy for corn nuts, I think.
Usually corn nuts are harder AF.
Wait, what? Golden sweet corn.
Sweet corn. This lip-smacking corn puff snack has always maintained its trademark taste of sweet corn. Shaped like cheese balls, each bite will bring you a crunchy and delicious taste of corn on the cob.
Interesting. I've never had anything that tasted like corn on the cob besides corn on the cob. Oh, they're big. They smell like corn on the cob.
Yep.
Let me smell it. Okay. They're varying in size. Corn on the cob.
Yep.
I'd say if I'm wanting to eat corn on the cob, I'd eat the real thing.
Holy cow.
It does taste exactly like corn on the cob.
Yeah.
Huh.
Mmm.
Not my favorite thing.
Mmm. I enjoy it. Okay. Well,
There might be some chocolate in here.
nope. None.
This is the last thing?
They eat purple yam cakes instead of chocolate.
Oh.
Can I show them? These are Max Honey Lemon Candy by Jack and Jill. Max Honey Lemon Candy is a candy treat that is truly unique. Each bite brings you a refreshing blend of honey, lemon, sweetness that makes you feel confident as it cools, soothes, and refreshes your breath in an instant.
It's a confidence booster.
Definitely Michelle needs it to cool her breath down.
Ew, you nasty.
Mmm. Is this a cough drop? This
It's
tastes
not-
like a cough drop.
It's menthol. It says candy, but this is definitely a cough drop.
This tastes like a Halls.
A lemon Halls. They... Ew.
I wiped all that.
I know, I can tell.
See, the way I don't like that you open these bags. Let me see, guys. The way you open these bags makes it hard to reseal them.
But listen, you
Like,
couldn't...
you want to open it this way.
I tried.
You couldn't get
Watch
it?
replay.
I will. So, listen. Oh, okay, whoops. So, what was
It
your...
is slightly better than a Halls.
So, what is your favorite thing out of this box, Michelle?
Can I pick two things?
Nope. One thing is your favorite, one thing was the worst.
The yam.
Was your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
What's your worst?
The corn.
My
sweet
favorite
corn.
was Boy Bawang.
This is my least favorite.
My least favorite was dried mango.
You didn't like that?
Nah. Okay,
See,
guys.
that was in the running for the best.
Oh, we
for
want
me.
to see next week's, Michelle.
Clue for next month.
Let me look at the pick.
Emerald Isle.
Hmm?
Ireland.
Netherlands or Ireland,
I think it's Ireland. We already had Netherlands. And Emerald Isle is Ireland.
Lush greenery and rolling hills. Or Greenland, maybe?
Greenland's full of snow. Iceland's full of...
Oh, yeah. The
Green.
country is famous for its castles, and most castles in this country are still standing.
Ireland.
Cool. That'll be an interesting one. Okay, guys. We will talk to you later.
Hopefully there's beer in it. Oh.
Peace out.
Bye. Like, comment, subscribe. Adventures Active.